precious home? No, she would hate it. She would hate you. And if she saw the state you're in right now, she would have wished you were shot dead instead of her.